Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video, and today I'll be making papaya oil with, of course, papaya. We're not gonna be wasting anything. We're just gonna cut everything into small chunks. Seed and everybody. I'm going to be transferring these to a blender to make a puree out of it. So I'm using, let me see, say 1 papaya. I'll see how this goes. Okay guys, so wow, this is my puree with seeds and everything. So I'll be adding a carrier oil to my pan or pot, whatever you call it, and I'll be putting the papaya puree in the carrier oil and allow it to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm adding my papaya puree to my carrier oils. I'm using a lot of oil here, so I'm going to puree some more papaya and add it in the oil. We're just going to allow that to cook for 30 to 35 minutes. So you know it's almost ready when everything starts going to the bottom of the pot and the papaya start losing its natural color. That shows that it is now being infused with the oil that obviously got this orangey look from the papaya. So I'm gonna turn this off in a few minutes from now and allow it to cool, and then I'm gonna strain it. So this is how you know your oil is ready, when everything has now sunk to the bottom of the pot and it has this frying sound. Everything is now frying, so you know all the water evaporated. And as you can see, this is like, wow. This is really papaya oil. So I'm gonna turn the heat off and allow this to cool, and then I'm gonna strain this and add some vitamin E oil to lengthen the shelf life. Also, I'm gonna add some citric acid that is a natural preservative. So this is my container that I'm gonna strain my oil in, my strainer, and I'm just gonna put a cup here. Oops. I'm gonna mix my oil with citric acid to act as a preservative and add my vitamin E oil. So these are my oils all here. So by using this cloth, it helps to hold in all the residues that should have been left off the oil. I'm just gonna apply some pressure to this and wring this as much as possible to get the oils out, and everything will look like that right there. And that's my papaya oil. Okay guys, so that is my papaya oil. I am now gonna add some vitamin E oil. Also, I'll be adding a tablespoon of citric acid. Oh, that was close. And that is gonna act as some extra preservative in my oil. Oh my god, this oil is so rich. Let's give that a little stir. Also, I'm gonna add some skin lightening powder. So, 1 tablespoon, sorry. 2 tablespoons. Just gonna dissolve these. And this skin lightening powder is 100% organic and effective. You literally start seeing results within 2 weeks. Okay, I'm just gonna mix this until it's no longer cloudy. That's when you know all the powders or the skin lightening powder and the citric acid are completely dissolved. I added another tablespoon of skin lightening powder because I want this to be like a strong body oil. I'm guessing a whisk would have done this job easier and faster. This oil smells so good. It literally smells like papaya. So this is some of the oil I just made. I'm just gonna transfer it in my vitamin E bottle. This is for personal use. Yes, so I'll be using this every night. It's recommended to use at night because the citric acid is a part of this oil and this can cause damages to the skin if exposed to too much sunlight. So if you're gonna wear this at daytime, I recommend you use a sunblock along with it. So this is my finished product. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment your thoughts and your questions in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.